How to separate first name, middle name, and last name in Excel. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first here, as you can see, I have used three names with first name, middle name, and last name. Now in order to separate it as per their first name, last name, and middle name, what you will have to do is first select the data. Now go to data. Now after that, you will find an option of split to text columns. You can select your separator if it is a space, period, semicolon, comma, or you can simply select detect automatically. In this way, it will automatically detect the separator and separate it like this. And then space, and as you can see now this is separated. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.